everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can save new Nourish sign-up details in Google Sheets automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So Nourish is an e-learning platform where you can create and sell your courses online, and Google Sheets, as we all know, is a spreadsheet program with database functionalities. Now you want that whenever a new user or a new customer sign ups to your Nourish account, automatically the details of the customer should be added to your Google Sheets so that a customer database can be created. And the customer details like his name, email address, his phone number, his address details and some other details should be added to your Google Sheets. For this, we need to create a connection between Nourish and Google Sheets so that whenever a new user sign ups to Nourish account, the details are added to your Google Sheet. So to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. Welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Nourish to Google Sheets Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new user sign up in our Nourish account, automatically the details of the user or the customer should be added to our Google Sheets. For that, we have to create an integration between Nourish and Pabbly Connect first. So let's open this trigger window and let us choose the application as Nourish over here. Let's select the trigger event as new sign up. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your Nourish account. So let's copy this webhook URL from here and I'll take you to my Nourish account. So this is my Nourish account. Here when we scroll down, we can find a settings option. Click on settings and here we can find integrations option over here. So click on integrations. And here we can find Pabbly Connect. So click on Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see all the available webhook URLs over here. Okay. So now here we can see the webhook URL for new sign up process. So we have to paste the webhook URL over here which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and click on test and save. Request processed successfully. Let's click on OK. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that a sample response is captured over here. Okay, we can find the username, his email address, phone number and all other details. So now we want to capture the actual response of any of our customer. For that we have to just click on this recapture webhook response button. Do you wish to recapture the response? Let's click on yes. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test assumption. It means we have to sign up our Nourish account on the name of a customer. For that, I'll just move to my Nourish account. And from here, I'm just going to copy my website URL and I'm going to open it in the incognito mode because I'm already logged in over here from my admin account. Okay, so let's paste it over here. Okay, now here I'm just going to click on login button and let's click on sign up. And here we are going to enter the details of a customer. Let's give the name as Adam Smith, email address as Adam Smith 1 adam23@gmail.com, and let's create a password for Adam, and let's add the mobile number over here and click on submit. Okay, and here we can see that now we are logged into our account. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the responses received and the details of our new sign up or the new customer are captured over here. Username as Adam Smith, his email address and the phone number. So now we want that these customer details should be added to a Google Sheet so that a customer database can be created. So let's scroll down, come to this action step and choose the application name as Google Sheets over here. Select the action event as add new row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Sheets. Now it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect Sheets. So I'm just going to choose my account where I have already created my Google Sheet. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that we have created in our account. Okay, so I'll show you the Google Sheet which I have already created. That is Nourish New Sign Up Data, where I have taken the fields for the user ID, username, email address and the phone number. So now I want the details to be captured in this particular Google Sheet. So I have to select the same spreadsheet name and the sheet name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us find the spreadsheet as Nourish New Sign Up Data over here. And the sheet name is automatically captured just because I have created a single sheet in this particular spreadsheet. So now it is asking for the user ID, username, email address. So we have already got all these details of the new sign up from our trigger response over here. So we are going to map these details now. Let's scroll down. First let us map the user ID from Nourish, and this was the user ID. Then we have to map the username. That was Adam Smith. In the same way, let us map the email address. And at last, let us map the phone number. Okay, so this was the phone number. So we have mapped all the fields over here. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means the new sign up details are added to our Google Sheet. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can find the user ID. Here we can find the username as Adam Smith, his email address and the phone number. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Nourish and Google Sheets, next time whenever any of the new customer is going to sign up to your Nourish platform, automatically the details of the new sign up will be captured in Google Sheets. So let's check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that I'll just move to my Nourish account and I'll just copy this website URL and I'll open it in the incognito mode once again. Okay, and let's click on login and sign up. And this time I'm going to enter the details of Shikha Arya. Email address as aryas11@gmail.com. And let's create a password. Let's enter the mobile number over here and click on submit. Okay, so here we can see that the customer is logged in. Now we have to check our Google Sheet. We have to just refresh it. Okay, and here we can see new user ID details. Username as Shikha Arya, her email address and the phone number is captured over here. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Nourish and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new sign up, and using those details automatically a new record was created into your Google Sheets. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Nourish and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.